A City News exclusive here at York University, where we've learned that at least 8 employees from 2 different departments have been investigated, and the university says action has been taken as a result of false benefits insurance claims. At least 1 employee at York University is no longer with the school, and the university says action has been taken with at least 8 people working there for false insurance claims, City News has learned. Sources say the employees work in at least 2 departments, housing services and parking services, and in one case the fraud was related to a fake orthotics claim. One legal expert we spoke with says cases like this almost always begin with suspect activity flagged by the insurance company.
The benefits provider is going to be undertaking an investigation and will notify the employer. They've noticed some irregularities, some potential fraud. They'll undertake an internal investigation. They'll report those results to the employer. And if it turns out that the employee or employees, as the case may be, have been involved in benefits fraud, then almost invariably those employees or employee are terminated.
A statement from York University provided to City News says York takes instances of false claims very seriously and has a robust process in place for addressing possible fraud. It goes on to say the university investigates suspected cases and refers them to police. The school also points out that false insurance claims impact the cost of providing benefits and that it is working with the insurer to seek repayment of the claims in these cases.
Anything that you do before the insurer actually reaches a final conclusion as to what happened would be premature. The last thing you want to do is, suspend an employee or worse, fire the employee and then find out, actually this was our mistake as the insurer. So you really do have to wait until you get that conclusion. But once you get that conclusion, then that's the time you can act on it.
The local union, QP 1356, represents members providing custodial, grounds and maintenance work, as well as parking, security and transportation services. We didn't hear back from a representative before our deadline. Other high-profile insurance fraud cases include a multi-million-dollar scheme at the TTC, which resulted in 9 employees convicted and more than 250 being dismissed or resigning. Baycrest Health Sciences also had to fire or accept the resignations of 150 employees a few years ago, after allegations surfaced that millions of dollars in benefits claims had taken place over the course of 8 years. While those other 2 examples may be on a much larger scale, it's important to note that all of these cases involve public money. York University receives $300 million in operating grants from the province. No word at this point if any more employees are being investigated or if any criminal charges are being laid.